butter in there nice and melting. Mix this through in that baking tray. I'll be fairly generous, I think. Melted chocolate, marshmallows, biscuits, what could be better? Ready to cook as soon as you're on the campsite. Hello, I'm Fell Foodie and I'm here in the Peak District with Campingaz. I'm going to be cooking up a marshmallow s'mores traybake here on the Campingaz Tour Grill. For this recipe you will need some milk chocolate and dark chocolate, marshmallows, some plain digestive biscuits and some butter. Right, so we'll start off with chopping the chocolate up, just into fairly sort of small chunks, just so it melts a bit quicker once it goes into the grill. And next we're going to crush up the digestive biscuits. You can do this at home in a food processor before you come out, otherwise just use a bowl and a rolling pin, just smashing these together till they're all nice and crumbed. So we've got all the digestives crushed now. We're going to get a baking tray onto the grill to heat through there, get some butter in there nice and melting. It can work as a tabletop grill or standalone, really versatile depending on where you are at base camp. But let's get the butter in and get this melted. I know marshmallows toasted over the fire is one thing, but this traybake s'mores, fantastic way to elevate that camping experience. Melted chocolate, marshmallows, biscuits, what can be better? So now that butter's all melted nicely through, we're going to go in with these crushed digestives, mix this through in that baking tray. Keeping that heat on, it's all nicely mixed through before we start building the layers on this traybake s'mores. And now we've put all that digestive and butter together, bring it all into a base on the bottom of that traybake. We're going to go in with this chocolate and get it all melted up. We've got a nice mix of milk and dark through there as well, but you could just go for one or the other if you prefer. The chocolate will melt fairly quickly. You can get that little spread over to cover that base before we top with those marshmallows. And we just want to scatter these on the top then, get them nice and covered over that base, close the lid on the Campingaz Tour Grill, and then get these nice and browned on the top and melted. Marshmallows on top, close the lid and get those all nice and browned. And there we go then, chocolate marshmallow traybake cooked up on the Campingaz Tour Grill, available at Go Outdoors. Camp cooking made easy with Campingaz.